Hi guys, this video is for a subscriber who asked me a question about these. I put these on all my bags. This is the newest bag I have. Bought it secondhand off the group, and hopefully it's the last bag I'll ever have to get. It's a bomb-proof bag. It's really good. It's a Savoda one. But back to this. So these, which you see in all my bags and some gear, these are from Polymath products. So these are the Glo Patch, ultra bright, class F. It's with a rear hook thing, and you get 2 in a pack. So I'll put a link in the description box below. But yeah, I buy these in loads, and I put them on everything. They're super bright. I'll show how bright they are, and yeah, definitely have a look at these. Again, I'll put links below. And thanks for people who message me about my gear. I'll try to do videos and everything.